In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Only One by Yellowcard off of their album Ocean Avenue. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Yellowcard was your favorite pop punk band. And let's dive in. This song's going to be in standard tuning, and what we're going to be doing in the intro and in the verses is arpeggiating using the first few strings. So in the intro, we're going to be using strings 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and the fingering for the first chord, open first string, open second string, first fret on the third string. And I'll play through this section here one time slow. Okay, so all we're doing there is using the first 3 strings and arpeggiating different chords. So again, that first chord, first fret, third string, and then open second and first. And the pattern is going to be we hit the third string first, then the first string, and then the second string. We just keep alternating like that. And then we go to the second fret of the third string. So everything stays the same. We just go from first fret, third string to second fret, third string. And this time, instead of going third string, first string, second string, we're going to go third string, second string, first string. So this little part here. Okay, so far we have this. The next chord that we'll arpeggiate is we'll have 4th fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 2nd string, and then an open 1st string. Okay, and the pattern is 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. And then it jumps to 6th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 2nd string, open 1st string. So all together so far we have this. And then at this point we go back down to 2nd fret, 3rd string, then open 2nd string, and then we'll have the pinky on the 4th fret of the 1st. Then we move to 2nd fret, 1st string with the middle finger, and then open 1st string. So that part there is And the effect that we're using in that intro and in the verses is a tremolo effect. While the main guitar is playing that part, there's a second guitar that's playing a similar part, just using different notes. Okay, so it's also arpeggiating chords, it's just arpeggiating different chords, and it kind of acts as a harmony. So I'll play through what that second guitar is doing slowly. So same arpeggiation pattern. So that's the first chord. It's kind of like a D shape. We're just moving it up 2 frets. So we have 4th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 3rd string. Same pattern as the first guitar. Second chord jumps to here. So that's 7th fret, 4th string. Okay, this is the first time we've introduced the 4th string. Then we have open 2nd string, and then 7th fret on the 1st string. Next chord, 8th fret, 3rd string, open 2nd and 1st. Slide that up to 9th fret, 3rd string, open 2nd and 1st. Back to the second chord here. At this point we reach down with the 1st finger to the 5th fret of the 1st string. Then reach all the way down to the 4th fret. Now that's a big reach. And then back up to the 5th. When Yellowcard plays this song live, they're only focusing on that first guitar part. So I would spend your time learning this guitar part. After we play those arpeggiated sections in the intro and the verse, then we kick into the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus will still have a tremolo guitar going, and it's going to be playing this part. So those chords, we just have 4th fret, 3rd string, and 2nd string. We're kind of palm muting these here. Then we jump to 6th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 2nd string. Then 5th fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 1st string. And then back to that first chord, 4th fret, 3rd and 2nd. We also have a distorted guitar that kicks in with power chords in the pre-chorus. So this guitar is going to kick in with these power chords. So all we're doing there, 2nd fret, 5th string power chord, just 8th notes with the right hand, then 4th fret, 5th string, then open 6th string, E power chord, and then back to the B power chord. And then we kick into the chorus. And here, both guitars are going to be playing the same chord structure. There are some background guitars that you can hear if you listen closely, but they're not that prevalent, so we're not going to focus on them. We're just going to play this main chord structure here. So what we're going to do is 4th fret power chord, 5th string first. I'll play through this once. So let's break that down. We have that 4th fret power chord on the 5th string, 8th notes with the right hand. And we go down to an A sus2 chord. Okay, so here's an A power chord. What we're going to do is allow the 1st and 2nd strings to ring open. Then we go to an E major chord. Then to 2nd fret, 5th string power chord. Then to an octave on the 3rd fret, 5th string. So what I did there was I just removed my ring finger, and now I'm just playing with my index finger and pinky. 3rd fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 3rd string. And then it repeats. Okay, what you can do with this 4th fret power chord is you can make it a minor chord by adding your middle finger to the 5th fret of the 2nd string. At this point, we'll play a 2nd verse and a 2nd chorus, and then we'll enter the solo. So in the solo, there's both a violin and a guitar playing. The violin is sort of playing the melody, and the guitar is playing the harmony. So I'll play through this guitar part once. So let's go through that note by note. We're starting 6th fret, 3rd string, and we're just going to be sort of following the vocal line as far as the rhythm goes. Up to 8th fret and then 9th fret. Back down to 6, then to the 9th fret of the 2nd string, and then to the 7th fret of the 2nd string. We have this so far. Then back to 6th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, 4th string, back to 6th fret, 3rd string, 8th fret, and then 9th fret. So far we have this. Then back down to 6th fret, up to 9th, and we end that first half of the solo there on the 8th fret of the 3rd string. So let's play through the first half of the solo. Second half of that solo. We're going to start the same way. And then at this point, it sort of takes over the melody line. So we'll come up here. It's 9th fret of the 3rd string. We'll slide up to the 12th fret of the 2nd. Down to 10. Then back to 9 of the 3rd. 9 of the 3rd. 11 of the 4th. 11 of the 3rd, and then 9 of the 2nd. So that part. Now right here, we're going to do this little. So I'm barring the 9th fret of the 2nd and 3rd strings. I'm going to play just the 2nd string, hammer on the 10th fret, pull off back to 9. Then I'm going to pick the 3rd string, which I have barred, and then reach over to the 11th fret of the 4th string. Play that twice. And then this little section will end with 9th fret 3rd, this little pick and hammer onto the 11th, back to 9, and then end on 8. So let's play through the whole guitar part in the solo. the solo, there's this bridge section. And in the bridge, there's going to be two guitars. One of them is an acoustic guitar. We can use a clean electric here. And it's just playing the chords that are used in the chorus. Okay, same chord structure as the chorus. It's a pretty quiet guitar on the record. And then there's a tremolo guitar part. It's pretty similar to what we were doing in the intro. It's just slightly different chords. So I'll play through this once. So the fingering for those chords, we're starting 6th fret 3rd string, 5th fret 2nd, and then an open 1st. Okay, and I'm going 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string as the pattern. Then I come down to 2nd fret 3rd string and open 2nd and 1st. Then 2nd fret 4th string and open 2nd and 1st. Then we go to 4th fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 2nd string, and open 1st string. Then we move quickly here to 5th fret, 3rd string, and then we keep 2nd fret, 2nd string, and open 1st string. And then it repeats. And when we finish that section, we kick into the last chorus of the song. Was Ocean Avenue the best pop-punk album of the 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.